I got this Carex adjustable bath and shower seat for my mother-in-law who's getting up in age and has trouble with balance. First off, I love how easy it is to put together. No tools required and just a few simple steps. This will really help her to take a shower with more confidence. It's very sturdy and safe. It has flared legs for stability and it's made with durable plastic and with easy-to-grip handles. Even has a notch in the seat to hold a handheld sprayer. This heavy-duty bench has non-slip rubber feet, guaranteeing a firm grip that won't move or slip. You can adjust its height for convenience, and it's made from lightweight aluminum for easy portability. The seat is very comfortable too, and has drain holes and is textured, allowing water to drain freely. And don't worry, it's made with non-corrosive materials for years of use. This is perfect for the elderly, people with arthritis, or back problems. My mother-in-law is going to love this.